Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about world's most effective intelligence agency who always remains in the news, that is Mossad. Mossad is the national intelligence agency of Israel. Apart from Mossad, Israel has two other intelligence agencies, Aman, which is responsible for gathering military intelligence, and Shin Bet, which is responsible for internal security. Mossad is responsible for intelligence collection, covert operations, and counter-terrorism. Mossad also works for bringing Jews to Israel from various countries and protecting Jewish communities all over the world. Mossad was formed on December 13, 1949. In March 1951, it was recognized and made a part of the Prime Minister's office. Headquarters of Mossad is based in Tel Aviv city in Israel. Mossad have approximately 1200 members, but they have intelligence networks spread all over the world. Jewish communities across the world act as information sources for Mossad. Since long time, Mossad has close ties with American intelligence agency CIA and British intelligence agency MI5. In recent years, Mossad has developed close relations with Indian intelligence agency RAW. Mossad actively helps RAW by providing accurate intelligence about enemies. Recently, during Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Turkey visit, Mossad has provided additional security cover to Indian Prime Minister. Mossad is always criticized for their over-aggressive and brutal operations. Mossad believes in eliminating their enemies rather than diplomacy. Mossad had carried out more than 100 operations to eliminate their enemies all over the world. Also, their assassination techniques are quite unique and unbelievable. Mossad is not bounded by international boundaries for their operations. They gather accurate intelligence from their sources and eliminate their enemies hidden in any part of the world. They have carried out operations in Central Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, and even in North Korea and New Zealand. Some of their famous operations are Operation Garibaldi and Operation Wrath of the God. During World War II, Hitler was responsible for massacre of Jews in Germany and Europe. One of his army officer named Adolf Eichmann was responsible for killing of more than 4 lakh Jews in Hungary. After World War II, Adolf Eichmann was moved to Argentina with fake identity. In 1960, Mossad agents kidnapped him from Argentina and smuggled him to Israel. He was sentenced to death by hanging and executed on 1 June 1962. Another courageous operation of Mossad was Wrath of God. In 1972, 11 Israeli Olympic players were killed by Palestine terrorist group in Munich. Israel government decided to take revenge of these killings. In next 20 years, Mossad assassinated all those people who were responsible for killings of Israeli players. These operations were carried out in several countries despite of severe international pressure. The major reasons behind Mossad's success are extreme patriotism, dedication, and government backing. Israel government strongly support Mossad's activities, whether those are legal or illegal. Despite of less number of agents, in today's world, Mossad is the most influential and ferocious intelligence agency in the world. Friends, which is the best intelligence agency according to you? Please write your choice in comments. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe to our channel. We will bring more and more interesting videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe.